travelling to Wales. In fact, we're actually in Wales now. We are going to visit and stay in a castle. If you didn't know, I'm Elliot. This is Matt. We're going to head to the Afro Lounge for lunch. That used to be an old schoolhouse, didn't it?
Afro is teacher in Welsh.
There you go. It's done out really, really lovely. 2 words above the door. We've got Babanod and we've got
Yai.
Yais.
Babanod is babies.
Okay.
And Yai is like juniors.
Caesar salad. It does look delicious. The lounge breakfast on the way to the beach. Just look how beautiful it is, even in the middle of January. I think we have to press the button. So there is an open button. It's a proper castle. Just parked up. Look at this. Look. So we just made ourselves comfy and now we're going to head down to the little communal lounge and we're going to have a cup of tea or a coffee before we head for dinner. Yeah, by the way, the stairs are very narrow. They look like this, which is old castle stairs. Navon, take us home to our castle. Oh. It was gorgeous.
Stunning. One of the best meals I've ever had.
Would you go there again?
100%. Every day. Forever.
And the staff have been amazing.
Oh, they've been so fantastic.
Teachers. Good morning. So we're going to head for breakfast. So the menu is given to us on this tablet. A little bit of Greek yogurt with some compote and fruit. And there is a croissant as well. We have our full Welsh breakfast and we've also had some toast as well. A bit windswept. Obviously, it's the middle of January. Seal pups. Oh my goodness. Right, we are just driving into St David's now. If you didn't know, it is the smallest city in the United Kingdom, but it does have a cathedral. Hi there. This door was not made for modern heights. Matt is 6'3" for reference. It's a really, really gorgeous cathedral. We highly recommend coming. Some Mamgu Welsh cakes. Okay, welcome to Mamgu Welsh Cakes. Please take a menu, find a table. Okay, there is a selection of cakes available here as well. Welsh rarebit is a traditional Welsh take on cheese on toast. It's a comfort food at its best, with a special blend of Welsh cheese, mustard and local ale. It sounds absolutely gorgeous. And of course the loaded Welsh cakes cream tea. Oh, we're going to share them. It's going to be delicious, I'm sure. So I have very, very tentatively cut mine open and oh yeah, you've done it. You did better than me. But I have cut it. So now we have to spread on the jam and the cream. Ta-da!
Gotta try it now.
Like a scone, but there is a difference to it slightly. Here is the Welsh rarebit. So how is your Welsh rarebit? Yummy. We have arrived at Oriel Park and it is the Information and Discovery Centre. So you descend some steps.
I think it's the lifeguard.
And there's also a full-sized lifeboat. Interactive screens as well. You can pop on some headphones. So much information here. You could literally spend hours just reading all the information, studying the different artifacts. It really is truly stunning. So get yourself down here. And if you do have any questions, ask the helpful staff. Beautiful Welsh cottages. They are divine. It's closed at the moment, but this is the Goat Street Gallery and it sells the most amazing local pottery.
These are like the ones in our hotel.
Yeah, they are gorgeous. Outside the Menevia Beauty and Spa. Can't wait to get in.
Yeah.
Or the chicken bites or chicken tenders, but the prawns. Matt's had the burger, the fish pie, and sticky toffee pudding, Matt's chocolate brownie and ice cream. And here is my Welsh coffee. Delicious. Right, it's a bit windy, so I don't know if you can hear me or not, but we've reached the beach and then we've got to go to the lagoon where my finger is. The Blue Lagoon, you can see where it gets its name from. Matt just pointed out he thinks that's the natural Welsh slate, and I think he's right as well.
It looks very slaty.
You see Welsh slate all over the place. All the roofs pretty much are made of Welsh slate, so it's very traditional. Right, let's head back to the car. Matt's just pointed out he thinks that's a red kite hovering. There is a shop and cafe, the sign does say. We are at Melin, you can say the second word.
Melin Tregwynt.
Tregwynt. So we have the cafe immediately to your right. So let's just take a peek in here. I think this is where they do a lot of the weaving. You can see the different looms. Oh wow. So you can kind of see down.
Water wheel.
Yeah. Oh wow. That is cute. Right, I think we should go to the shop. Yeah, just seen some lovely chopping boards. Traditional Welsh purses. Oh my goodness, they are so cute. Look at these little capelets. Oh, they feel so nice and soft inside. Let me know in the comment section, do you think Matt suits a farmer's flat cap? There's Welshman's caviar. We have Welsh lady tartar sauce, whiskey marmalade. There's some preserves, different throws and cushion covers and actual full cushions. That's lovely, thank you very much.
Welcome. Enjoy your afternoon tea.
Thank you.
With the pastry that's very nice and flaky. We are really full. We've eaten so well on this holiday, we really have. So we're just gonna enjoy the rest of our tea, but then we will be heading home. We have so enjoyed our Visit Wales trip to Pembrokeshire. Thank you for watching our stay here. Thank you, Visit Wales, for having us. So from us, Hwyl Fawr!